Happy morning to all. One day, a son goes to his father and asks, "Father, what is the value of my life?" The father gives him a stone and says, "Son, if you want to know the value of your life, take this stone and go to the market. And if anyone asks you for the price, don't say a word, just raise up two fingers." So the boy goes to the market. An old woman approaches him and asks how much is the stone. The boy did not say a word, just raises up two fingers. And the woman said, $2. Fine, I'll take it. The boy was surprised and ran to his father and said, "Father, there was an old woman at the market. She wanted to give me $2 for the stone what you gave me." The father said, "Son, now you take the stone to a museum, and if anyone asks you for the price, don't say a word, just raise up two fingers." So the boy takes the stone to the museum. At the museum, a man asks the boy, "How much is the stone?" The boy doesn't say a word and just raises up two fingers. And the man said, $200. Right, I'll take it. The boy was surprised again and ran home to his father and said, "Dad, a man at the museum wanted to buy the stone for $200. The father said, "Son, the last place I want you to take the stone to a precious stone shop. And if anyone asks for the price, don't say a word, just raise up two fingers." So the boy walks inside the precious stone shop. There was an old man at the counter. When he saw the stone in the boy's hand, he jumped and screamed and said, "Oh my God, you have the stone I have been looking for my whole life. What do you want for it? How much is it?" The boy doesn't say a word and raises up two fingers. The old man said, $200,000? I'll take it. The boy couldn't believe it. He rushed to his father and said, "The old man in the precious stone shop wanted to give me $200,000 for the stone." The father said, "Son, do you understand now the value of your life? Life is all about where you place yourself. You can decide if you want to be a $2 stone or $2,000 stone." Dear children, life isn't about finding yourself. Life is all about creating yourself. Remember, you are the artist of your own life. Your success and happiness lie in you. Make your life a masterpiece. Imagine no limitations on what you can be, have, or do. So rise up and become a person you meant to be. Wishing you all success. Thank you and God bless you.